Shot put is an Olympic sport that I was introduced to when I entered high school by my football coach named Tim Hammetry, also known as Coach Ham. The shot put can be confusing because as a male, you start off with a 12-pound shot in high school or a 5-kilogram shot for international competition. Once you turn 16, you begin using the 6-kilogram shot for international competition. But after that, when you're in college, you start throwing a 16-pound shot. Once you get all the weights of the shots down, I had to learn the technique. There are two main styles of technique in throwing. There's the old school European glide and the modern day American rotation. I started with the old school one because it was the easier technique to begin throwing with. I came from a big high school, but in the United States, especially in the South, track and field is not highly emphasized sport. So being strong, I was the #1 thrower on the team. My freshman year, I went 39 feet in the second farthest throw in my school's history. I was off to a good start, but I missed making it to the state meet because I was just not good enough yet. My sophomore year, I started to connect a little better. I came in 4th at the region meet, better, but not good enough at 46 feet to make state. My junior year, I decided to make a change and switch to the rotational technique, and I started to get better. My junior year, I won county and placed 2nd at regionals to make it to state. At state, I placed 4th with a throw of 50 feet. After my junior year, I joined a club to throw, and this club was called Throw 1D. This set me up to get a scholarship to throw here at the University of Georgia. After training there, it allowed me to see the country, and I won region and set a new school record of 62 feet. That throw placed me 2nd in the state meet my last year of high school and it made me an All-American at the national meets. After training in high school, Coach Babbitt offered me a scholarship to throw at UGA, so I gracefully accepted. At the university, there were a lot of changes to get used to. The main one was traveling the country every weekend to throw. But this is a way I can expand my talents. Coach Babbitt is probably the best throws coach in the world, training world champions such as Reese Hoffa, multiple Olympic silver medalist Adam Nelson, and many other large names like Ming Wang, the Taiwanese national record holder at 20.48 meters. With Babbitt's help, I was able to have one of the best conversions to the heavier weight that anyone could have ever had. Even though this year I tore my right pec muscle, which is the main muscle in throwing, he was able to help me set a personal best of 58 feet 11 inches. This was only a 3-foot difference from my high school personal best, with a heavier weight. The normal conversion from high school to college is 10 feet, which made my conversion even better. Being a young first-year student, I was able to compete in USA Juniors and make the United States international team for the 2011 Junior Pan Am Games, which is a good accomplishment to end my year on, moving me ever closer to my goal of being the best in the United States and eventually the world. Plus, being on a team, I got to receive all the US gear that the professionals receive. That was probably the best accomplishment that I have ever made in my life, and it hopefully will not be the last.